Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video. Okay, the first thing that you need to do, select a video that you want to download. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Press Option and click Share. Copy the link. Copy. Then when you're done copying the link, go to Google and search Save From. Make sure you select the first website, Save From. Then you paste your video here. Click Download. Wait while it's still processing. It's going to change here and the option for download will appear. Just wait a few seconds. Just wait a few seconds. Oh, there we go. Then click Download. If you want to change the quality, you can change here. Then when you're done, click Download. It's now downloading, as you can see. It's now downloading. Thank you.